Join us today as we go at the Pacific Bonsai Expo shopping area.
Hi, I'm Andrew Robson. This is Rakuyo Bonsai. Rakuyo is the Japanese word for deciduous or fallen leaves, which is what we specialize in here. I have a few deciduous trees in the show. We're selling a few great projects here for people to grow their own show trees. Teach deciduous classes in Portland, and enjoy the show.
Thank you. Go for it. Hi, I'm Michael Hagedorn. We're in the Pacific Bonsai Expo vendor area. We're right next to the display over here, where I have a short pine on display, which is on a metal arm, and I'll talk about that in a blog post someday.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Doc.
We're at the Pacific Bonsai Expo. This is Baikoen Bonsai, and I'm Sound Soku Arts. I do the little cement pots, and now does all the handmade stuff here. So
Awesome. I love your pottery. It's so beautiful.
oh, thank you. Yeah, you gotta check out the stuff and give them a close up.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, take care.
Okay, my name is John Eads. I'm Left Coast Bonsai. We're just outside of Portland, Oregon, and we're growing pre-bonsai material. So we got a lot of seedlings and anything up to 5 or 10 years old. We also do refinement on trees.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, John.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anytime, Dennis.
I'm Dennis Wojtula here, and I grow grapevine bonsai, among other things, Pinot Noir. So the trees I have here are 15 years on their new roots, and about 25 years old overall.
Awesome. Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you.
Hi, my name's Randy Knight. I represent Oregon Bonsai. I'm here at the show. Tom is interviewing me on a quick blurb. Apparently he's doing this to other people. I won't be the only one embarrassed by all this.
Oh, it's not great.
And I've got a few trees for sale here and some big ones that hopefully show people what's possible and what can be done.
Thanks a lot, Ryan. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I don't think Ryan's around, but yes, hi. Yes.
Hey guys, Matthew Walker from Bonsai Bonsai out of Northern California. We're here today vending some trees at the Pacific Bonsai Expo. It's going great. We're sitting in the sun baking right now, but doing the best I can.
Unusual for Northern Cal, right? Baking in the sun.
Yeah, we don't really bake in the sun much, but I do a lot of collective Yamadori. I field grow myself, black pine junipers. I do a lot of root over rock design, and I have a pretty good little bonsai nursery in Fairfield, California. So please come by.
Nice. Thank you so much.
My name is Bill Valavanis. I live in Rochester, New York, and I've been growing bonsai for a few decades. I published International Bonsai Magazine for 42 years and put out 160 issues. Now it's produced free digitally. I came to the show to support their show because all the West Coast people come to New York to support the national exhibition. So we brought a couple trees here and about 150 trees for sale. We're having a good time. Everybody's nice and polite here, except some of the car drivers. But the trees are beautiful, well displayed. The venue is great. I'm having a good time.
Thanks a lot, Bill, for your time today.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Peter T, and I do bonsai professionally. Studied in Japan. I'm here at the Pacific Bonsai Expo, showing trees, showing my clients trees, having a good time, and hanging out, meeting new people.
Did you sell out yet, Peter?
I didn't sell out, but I sold a good amount of trees. So that's
I know. I ran over. I'm like, dude, they're all like empty here. Thanks a lot, Peter.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks.
Hi, Vicki Chamberlain. I have earthwares. I make bonsai pots, and it's been an incredibly busy day. And I probably think this is one of the best shows I've ever been to. I hope you get to see the beautiful trees.
Thank you. Your pots are beautiful, Vicki.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yoda in the house up in here.
Where are you guys from? What are you guys doing here today?
Trying to hang out, have a good time, enjoy selling trees and taking names.
Awesome. You guys are really cool Christmas persimmon, man. I'm jealous someone bought it before I did, man. You guys have a good time. Thanks a lot, man.
With Rise Up Bonsai, Mikhail Edwards. I do all handmade pottery, glazed, unglazed, all high fired. I'm in the Bay Area, North Bay, Petaluma. We're here at this Bonsai Expo. Beautiful venue, beautiful trees, lots of people. Everything's great.
Thanks a lot, Mike. Where's your time? Anytime.
Hey, I'm Austin Heisman. I do bonsai display. Also do furniture. But I got jutas and stands.
And you're out of Portland?
Out of Portland, Oregon.
And
right there in the city.
Awesome.
Source most of the woods locally here in America. Trying to get different colors and textures. Get the best out of what I can
Awesome.
find.
Thank you so much, Austin.
Thank you.
That was the vendor area of the Pacific Bonsai Expo. If I did miss you, I do apologize. Again, thank you for Eric and Jonas for putting this wonderful show together. You guys like the video, like and subscribe, share the video. I'll see everybody around. Bye-bye.